Dear friends, welcome to Odisha Net Academy. Now we are going to discuss about aptitude part 2. In the previous aptitude class we have discussed few aptitude. Now come to another aptitude question. OA, OB, OC are radii of the quarter cycle shown in the below. AB is also equal to the radius. So this is radius, this is radius, this is also radius, and AB is equal to radius. Okay. So what is the angle OCB? OCB. So you have to find out this angle. Okay. So this is right angle triangle. This is that is equilateral triangle. 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. Okay, so this is right angle. So what about this angle? 30 degree. If this is 30 degree, okay, these two are same. So what about these two angle? The summation of these two angle must be 180 minus what? 180 minus 30 is equal to 150. Okay, so summation of these two angle 150, that two equal angle divided by 2, that is 75. Okay, so now each one is 75. This is also 75. So answer is which one? 75. Got it? Now next question. A solution of potassium acetate is prepared by dissolving it in water. So we are preparing one solution, that is potassium acetate. Okay, what is potassium acetate? CH3 COOH. Okay, that is acetic acid, and potassium acetate means, so in place of H it is what? K plus. Okay, Cu minus K plus, that is potassium acetate. So when it is dissolved in water, so what happens? Now here OH minus will be attached, here H plus. So it forms acetic acid and KOH. Okay, so the solution contains KOH and acetic acid. So out of acetic acid and KOH, so which is strong one? So this is weak acid and this is strong acid. Sorry, strong base. Weak acid and strong base. So overall what happens? So it is a, which will be dominant? The base. So that's why the solution pH is definitely greater than 7, above 7. So that is due to KOH. That due to KOH. So answer will be C. Got it? C. Now come to next question. So a 16.2 meter long wooden log has a uniform diameter of 2 meter. Okay, so suppose this is the 16.2 meter log and the diameter is given 2, means radius is 1 meter, radius is 1 meter. So to what length the log should be cut to obtain a piece of 22 meter cube volume? So you have to cut, suppose up to, from that, okay, you have to cut what, up to this. So I don't know what the height may be, the length may be x. So that the volume of the cut piece will be 22 meter cube. So what is the volume? This is acting as wood log is acting as cylinder. So that is volume of cylinder pi r square h. So pi 22 by 7 into r square. R is given 1 into 1 into h, that you have to find out, is equal to 22 meter cube according to question. So implies what will be the h? 22 cancel out, h is equal to 7 meter. Okay, so you have to cut 7 meter, then definitely that water wood log which is cut, the volume will be 22 meter cube. That is B. Got it? Now an ant goes from A to C in the figure, crawling only on the lines. Only on the lines it will move, and it come to A, the starting point A and end point C. Okay, then you have to find out the number of shortest, the least length. Okay, so for this type of question, better you have to mention each and every meeting point. Suppose here P, Q, R, S, and this is O. Then you have to count. So suppose A to P to O to R to C, that is what? A, P, O, R, C. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 side. Okay, so this is a list. I think this is a list one for one. That is for length. Suppose x 4x. So similarly a s b r c. Okay, a s b r c. So like that. So you have to count. So this is also 4. This is also 4. And this is also 4. So how many? Total will be, I think, 6. So but before that you have to mention all the meeting points, then only it is easily calculated. Is 6. A point is chosen at random from circular disc shown below. What is the probability that the point lies in the sector OAB? This is the sector OAB. So randomly you can put one point. Then what is the probability that the point will fall within that sector? And the angle is given how much? X, that is what? Angle is given x radian. Okay. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Do you know? Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Remember. So what is the total angle around O? 2 pi. 360 degree means 2 pi. Okay. So within that you have to means what? Find out the probability that the point will falls within x. The total will be 2 pi, and that what marked area is pi, is your x. Then what is the probability? X by 2 pi. X by 2 pi. Okay. 3. But you have to remember pi is equal to pi radian is equal to 180 degree. That is another interesting question. A king order that a golden crown be made for him from 8 kg gold and 2 kg silver. The goldsmith took the order, but there is a chance of stolen of gold by this goldsmith. So that's why you have to find out how much gold was stolen by the goldsmith. But for that data is given according to Archimedes principle. That is gold lost 1/20th of its weight and silver lost 1/10 of the 1/10 of its weight again. So under water the prepared or the made crown weight is 9.25 kg. So these three data given to you. Okay, so then you can find out how much gold was stolen by the goldsmith. Suppose x amount of gold was stolen, then that is what 8 minus x is the gold. Then underwater what is the weight divided by 20 plus. So I am just focusing the lost weight. Then what about the silver? So how much gold stolen by the goldsmith? The same amount of silver was added. So that is silver will be 2 plus x. And what is the lost weight underwater? Now divided by 10 according to question. So according to question the lost weight is 10 minus 9.25. Implies just take the solution of what? LCM, that is 20. So it is 8 minus x plus that is 4 plus that is 2x is equal to, you have to solve this, that is 2x is equal to that is 0.75. Okay, solve this, find out x. If you solve this, find out x will be almost 3 kg. Okay, so first you have to find out the lost weight of the gold, lost weight of the silver, then total will be total lost. Then find out x. What is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand? So of the clock at 7:35. Suppose this is the 6, this is the 9, this is 8, this is 7. So 7:35 means minute hand on 7 and hour hand I think in between 7 and 8. This is 30. This is what? That is you have to find out this angle. You have to find out this angle. Okay. So this is hour hand, this is minute hand. So which moves actually? So our hand moves from 7 to this much. That create angle. our hand moves from this position to this position to create the angle. So when our hand moves throughout the point, so it is what, 360 degree. Okay, for 360 degree it takes how much time? 12 hours. 12 hours. Okay, for 35 degree it takes how much time? The 12 hour into 60, that is in minute, make it in minute, 60 minute. Okay, because it is what, see here, don't write down this one, so that is in minute. So 360, that means 1 minute, make it just opposite. 12 hour, within 12 hour it creates 360 degree. Okay, so 1 hour it creates 360 divided by 12. Okay, now what happened, it is how much? Here are 3, okay, 30 degree. Okay, 12 hour means 60 minute. For 60 minute 30 degree. For 35 minute it is 30 by 60 into 35. So that is equal to 35 by 2, that is 17.5 degree. So this is 17.5 degree. Okay, so 12 hour, within 12 hour it creates 360 degree. So from that you can find out. Okay, make it what, minute also. Okay, because in the question it is given 35 minute, so it is 17.5 degree. Clear everybody? The same thing is written here. So out of following, which graph is not possible? It is interesting one. Which graph is not possible? See here. So this is possible, like what, weight versus time. It may be increase, it may be increase or decrease, it may be increase then decrease, decrease, increase, decrease, only increase, anything possible. But here time is reversed, the see here. Okay, so here time is reversed. How it is possible? So time cannot be reversed. Weight anything. Okay, weight can be anything. Increase, decrease, it can remain constant. But what about the time? Always increase. So here reversal of time. So that indicates the reversal of time. So it is not possible. Clear everybody? Okay, thank you.